Hey everyone, John here from my solar home. I just saw the news. LONGi broke the world record for solar panel efficiency at 24.8%. That's huge. And I know what you're thinking. John, should I wait? Will my panels become obsolete? Should I hold off on my solar installation? Here's the truth. This is exactly the kind of news that gets people stuck in analysis paralysis. In this video, I'm going to break down what this efficiency record actually means for your home, whether waiting makes financial sense, and what my honest recommendation is whether you should buy now or wait. I'm going to cover what panel efficiency actually means in real dollars and how the LONGi 24.8% compares to panels you can buy today. Real world difference between a 22% efficient panel and a 24.8% efficient panel. Whether this technology is going to come to the residential roof anytime soon, and my final verdict on whether you should wait or move forward with your solar installation. Let me start with the basics because efficiency is one of the most misunderstood specs in solar. Panel efficiency is simple. It's the percentage of sunlight that gets converted into electricity. A 22% efficient panel converts 22% of the sun's energy into usable power. A 24.8% panel converts 24.8%. Sounds like a huge difference, right? But here's the part where people get confused. They think a 24.8% efficient panel means they'll save 24.8% more money. That's not how it works. Let me break down the math. Let's say you have a 300 watt panel that's 22% efficient. That panel is roughly 17.5 square feet. Now, if you take the same 17.5 square feet and make it a 24.8% panel, you'll get about 335 watts. That's a 12% increase in power output, not a 24.8% increase. Here's the real world impact on an 8 kW system. You normally need about 20 panels at 400 watts each. If those panels were 24.8% instead of 22% efficient, you might just need 18 panels instead of 20. That's 2 panels fewer. Now, at roughly $200 per panel, that's $400 in savings. Over 25-year warranty, that's $16 per year. That's real money, but it's not life-changing. Now let's talk about LONGi's 24.8% records specifically. This is important because there's always a catch with these lab records. First, this is a lab record. It's not a commercially available panel yet. LONGi tested this in a controlled conditions, perfect temperature, perfect angle, perfect sunlight. Real panels on your roof deal with dust, heat, shade, suboptimal angles. Real world efficiency is always lower than lab efficiency. Second, LONGi used a monocrystalline silicon cell with advanced surface texturing and anti-reflecting coatings. This is cutting edge stuff, but it's expensive to manufacture at scale. When LONGi does commercialize this, the panels will cost more than standard panels. Third, LONGi already sells panels which are in the 22 to 23% efficiency range. Their current flagship panels, the LONGi HIMO X6, are hitting 22.8% efficiency. So they're already close to this record in real-world products. So here's the timeline. LONGi will probably commercialize this 24.8% technology in 2026 or 2027. But it won't be cheap. I expect it to have a 10 to 15% price premium compared to the current 22% panels. So instead of paying $200 per panel, you might pay $230 per panel. So let's do the math. On an 8 kW system, standard 22% panels, 20 panels in $200 is $4,000. With the LONGi 24.8% panels in, say, 2027, 18 panels into 230 is $4,140. You're actually paying more even though you need fewer panels. And that's the catch. Let me show you what's actually available in 2025. These are panels you can buy today. The REC Alpha Pure RX 22.3% efficiency, 470 watt panels. That's about $210 per panel. With 25-year warranty, real world performance, excellent in hot weather, great temperature coefficient. Great for homeowners who want premium quality and don't mind paying for it. The LONGi HIMO X6, 22.8% efficiency, 455 watts, about $195 per panel. Again, a warranty of 25 years, solid all-around performer, good in low light conditions. Best for budget-conscious buyers who want good efficiency. The Silfab Solar Prime, 22.1% efficiency, 440 watt panel, price about $185 per panel. Warranty is 25 years, And again, real world performance made in North America, great warranty support. Best for homeowners who prioritize local manufacturing and support. The QCell Qtron, 22% efficient, 440 watts, price about $180 per panel. Warranty again 25 years, reliable, great value, solid warranty. Best for budget buyers who want a trusted brand. Now here's the key insight. The difference between a 22% panel and a 22.8% panel is just about 0.8 percentage points. On an 8 kW system, that may be 2 to 3 fewer panels. At $200 per panel, that's 400 to 600 in savings. But the premium panels cost more upfront, so you're not actually saving money. The real difference isn't efficiency, it's warranty, temperature coefficient, real world performance in your specific climate. That's what matters. Let me tell you about Jennifer from Arizona. Jennifer called me in September 2025, and she was waiting for better panels. She'd been researching for 6 months, waiting for the next generation of high efficiency panels. Here's what I told her. Jennifer, let's look at your situation. You're in Phoenix with a south-facing roof and no shade. Your electricity bill is about $220 a month. And an 8 kW system with today's 22% panels will save you $1,900 a year. If you wait 2 years for 24.8% panels, you might save $1,950 per year, an extra $50 a year. But here's the catch. Jennifer is losing 2 years of electricity savings right now. That's $3,800 in lost savings. Even if the new panels save her $50 per more year, it'll take her 76 years to break even on that lost time. Jennifer installed an 8 kW system with REC Alpha Pure panels in October of 2025. She's saving about $1,900 a year. In 2027, if she wants to expand her system with newer, more efficient panels, she can. So she's not losing money by going solar right now. That's the smart play. Here's my honest take. You should not wait for the LONGi 24.8% panels. Here's why. Reason one, the financial impact is minimum. We're talking about $400 to $600 savings on an average size project. That's 1.4 to 2% of your total costs. Meanwhile, you're losing 2 years of electricity savings between $3,800 to $4,000. The math doesn't work. Reason two, today's panels are actually excellent. A 22% efficient panel is not outdated. It's not going to become obsolete. Your REC Alpha Pure or LONGi HIMO X6 panels will perform great for 25 plus years. They're now going to degrade faster because a newer panel exists. Reason three, you can always expand later. If you install an 8 kW system now and you want to add more capacity in 2027, you can. You can add 2 to 3 more panels with the newer technology. You're not locked into today's panels forever. Reason four, electricity rates are rising. Your electric bill is going to go up every year, on an average 2 to 3% per year. The longer you wait, the more you're paying the utility. Every month you delay costs you real money. So here's my final advice. Buy solar now with today's excellent panels. Don't wait for the next generation. Solar is a 25-year investment, and the best time to start is today. Here's what you need to do. Get a quote for today's top panels. Reach out to me at solar@mysolarhome.us or call 609-908-3700 or visit mysolarhome.us. We'll show you options for REC, LONGi, Silfab, QCells. Don't obsess over efficiency. Focus on warranty, temperature coefficient, and real-world performance in your region. A 22% panel with a great warranty beats a 24% panel with a mediocre warranty. Plan for future expansion. If you think you might want to add more panels in 2027, tell your installer. They can design your system to accommodate future additions. Don't let perfect be the enemy of good. Today's panels are excellent. They save you money for 25 years. That's good enough. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And you might like my latest video on the best solar panels in 2025.